Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be talking about 10 jaw-dropping things that ChatGPT 4 can do for students. So what do you know about ChatGPT 4? ChatGPT 4 is an advanced language model based on GPT 3.5 architecture and it has been designed to help students in various ways. Let's dive into the top 10 jaw-dropping things that ChatGPT 4 can do for students. Number 1. Instant Q&A support. ChatGPT 4 can provide instant answers to any questions that students may have. Whether it's related to a subject, exam, or anything else, students can ask ChatGPT 4 and it will provide accurate answers within seconds. Number 2. Writing assistance. ChatGPT 4 can help students with their writing assignments by providing suggestions for sentence structure, grammar, and even generating ideas for essays. Number 3. Personalized learning. ChatGPT 4 can create personalized learning experience for students based on their learning style and preferences. It can recommend the best resources, videos, and even personalized quizzes to help students learn and retain information better. Number 4. Language translation. ChatGPT 4 can translate text into multiple languages, making it a valuable tool for students who are learning a new language. It can help them better understand and communicate with people who speak different languages. Number 5. Exam preparation. ChatGPT 4 can help students prepare for exams by providing study materials, quizzes, and even tips on how to approach different types of questions. It can also provide a personalized study schedule to help students manage their time more efficiently. Number 6. Virtual tutoring. ChatGPT 4 can act as a virtual tutor for students who need extra help with the subject. It can provide one-on-one support and guidance, helping students understand concepts and solve problems more efficiently. Number 7. Research assistance. ChatGPT 4 can help students with their research by providing relevant information and sources. It can help students find articles, journals, and books that are related to their topic, saving them time and effort. Number 8. Time management. ChatGPT 4 can help students manage their time more efficiently by providing reminders, scheduling tasks, and even creating a to-do list. It can help students stay organized and on top of their responsibilities. Number 9. Career guidance. ChatGPT 4 can provide career guidance to students by suggesting potential career paths based on their interests and strengths. It can provide information on different jobs, industries, and even provide tips on how to prepare for interviews. Number 10. Mental health support. ChatGPT 4 can provide mental health support to students by suggesting ways to manage stress, anxiety, and other mental health issues. It can provide helpful tips and resources to help students cope with their daily emotions and improve their overall well-being. These are just 10 of the many jaw-dropping things that ChatGPT 4 can do for the students. From instant Q&A support to virtual tutoring and even mental health support, ChatGPT 4 is a valuable tool for students looking to improve their academic and personal lives. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative contents. Thank you.